So hello guys, welcome to the second part of the video. So product service design. So we will study about the concept of service, characteristics of service, aim and objectives of service design, characteristics of well designed service system, differences between service and product design, value analysis, concurrent engineering, quality function deployment or designing for the customer, and waiting line theory or queuing theory and its types. So first, concept of service design. So service is intangible perishable benefit. The services are the acts, deeds, performance, relationship that provides time, place, form, psychological utilities for the customer. Service is provided by the service delivery system, which includes facility, process, needs for service. Successful companies are customer oriented service with their products. So characteristics of service, we have intangible, it is output is variable, perishable and high customer contact. Next, a service refers to the act done for the client. It is provided by the service delivery system which facilitates process and skills needed to be provide service. So it is ability to create and deliver the reliable customer oriented service. Service design is the choice of the service strategy that determines the nature and focus of service and target market. Next, we have issue and aims of objective service design. So there is degree of variation in service requirement, degree to which service is standardized. Next, there is degree of customer contact. Lower customer contact lead to more standardized service. And customer involvement in delivery system. So high customer contact means delivery is highly customized. Now we have characteristics of well-designed service system: being consistent with the organization, user-friendly, cost-effective, and easy to sustain. Next, we have differences between service and product design. So talking about the service design, services are intangible. Services are created and delivered at the same time. It cannot be stored, highly visible to the customer, low barrier to entry and exit, and location is important. For the product design, products are tangible, they are made for the long period of the time. It can be stored, not designed in the mind of the customer. There is high barrier to entry and exit. Location is not important over here. So value analysis, it is carried to eliminate the unnecessary features or functions of the product and component. So value analysis is organized method of the cost reduction of the product by attacking its basic design. Value analysis questions the product design itself. For the cheaper design, quality is not sacrificed, rather often lead to improvement in quality. Value analysis is formalized technique. It aims to quality management is maximum user satisfaction at minimum cost. Value analysis result in reduced cost for the same quality or improved quality with the same cost. Now we have concurrent engineering. So it means bringing design and manufacture the people together early in the design phase to simultaneously develop the product and the process for manufacturing of product. So it helps to improve the quality of the early design decision, reducing the cost of design process. It includes manufacturing personnel, design personnel, marketing and purchasing personnel. Next, we have quality function deployment or designing for the customer. So QFD approaches for the interfunctional terms from the marketing, design and manufacturing to incorporate the feature seek by customer in the product. So quality function deployment is a structured approach for the integrating the voice of customer into the product and service deployment service. It is proposed to ensure that the customer requirements are checked in every aspects of the process. Listening and understanding customer are the central features of QFD. The structure is based on set matrices, which is the matrix of customer requirement what and technical requirement how. Next, we have the benefit. So it increases customer satisfaction. It involves manufacturing designing process, reduce the overall cost of the design, reduce the number of engineering changes. Now we have waiting line theory or queuing theory. So waiting line Waiting in the line cause irritation and dissatisfaction, which is expensive and time consuming as well. So in order to reduce the such problem, principle of waiting line play the vital role to find the appropriate solution for minimizing the cost of waiting. So waiting line are analyzed with a set of mathematical formulas which comprise the field of study called queuing theory. This theory uses the queuing model to represent the various types of queuing system that arise in the practice. The main objective is to minimize two costs, which is time cost and opportunity cost. It provides providing too low service cause excessive waiting, which cost in the terms of loss of goodwill, customers frustration, and direct cost ideal employment. Next, we have goal of queuing model is achievement of economic balance between the cost providing service and cost associated with waiting required for service. So characteristics of waiting line theory: waiting time in queue, waiting time in system, number of customers in queue, and number of customers in system. So types of waiting system: there is single line system. So one queue for one service center, it is expected to be small, and service center is not affording more than one counter. There are following assumptions like arrivals are served as FIFO. The mean service time mu must be greater than mean arrival time. There is one channel. Waiting space is available for customer is infinite. Next, we have multi-channel system. So service center opens numbers of service counters, and different queue are made according to the service counter. At large population or organization able to afford the number of counter which is suitable. Reasons for multi-channel is the size and types of the customer, level of competition, market nature, opportunity cost calculation. So thank you. That is the end of the chapter product service design. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You guys are amazing. Keep reading.